son of a bitch.
So you'll probably only need you'll need a 14 mil, definitely some WD-40 or any penetrating lubricant, and a breaker bar. You're gonna want to take this support bar off in order to be able to get the entire J-pipe out. There's 2 bolts, 2 14mm bolts on this side, and there's 3 on this side. Oh, of course there's a clip. So you're gonna want to spray each of these with some penetrating lubricant because it's gonna be hella rusted, and then get a breaker bar and just go at it until they break off. It's 1 out of 3. Two out of 3. Look at that pretty exhaust pipe. Oh, daddy, she's gone. Alright, so there's no way I'll be able to muscle off this hanger with this still on the car, so I'm just unbolting it from the subframe. There's 2 bolts, hanger's loose, hanger's off, and I'll put it on after I get the J-pipe off. Now to take the 3 bolts off the J-pipe where it's attached to the pre-cat right here. Alright, there's 3 more, here, here, and here, and then we can take it off. Alright, so now I'm getting the last and final nut off. Oh, come on, there we go. Now it's just held on by friction. Come on. Hey, doctor! Alright, so now that we have that off and we have all this stuff on here, let's get back under the car and put it back in place. Make sure all rings are in place. In this case, it's not in place because it fell. There we go. And we're in business. Alright, at this point you're going to bolt it all back up. Okay, so once you get this side done, don't tighten it down all the way because you probably have to make some adjustments, make sure there's no, make sure everything is in place before you tighten it down all the way. You're going to start working up here on where it connects to the pre-cats. I'm going to go ahead and reattach the hanger while I'm underneath, while I'm right here. Alright, you can go ahead and tighten this down as tight as it'll go. Alright, now move up to the So just to recap, button up all of these bolts, button up these. So button up these, make sure they're nice and tight. You're gonna have to reattach this right here. Now I'm just gonna go back, tighten them up completely because there's no leaks, and then reattach the shroud. Alright, we're all done under here. Let's get out from underneath here, start her up. Alright, so now that the J-pipe is installed, we're gonna start it up and see the difference. So 5 days later after the install, I've noticed a drastic difference in the exhaust notes. It's a lot deeper. There's not as much rasp at higher RPMs. So if you're looking to do some exhaust modifications, I highly recommend the EndLessRPM J pipe for your 2013 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.